What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. Quick look at Gala, 0.01612, down 2.3 on the day. Market cap 736 million, 24 hour 92 million. So it really depends on the Fed. If the Fed cuts rates in September, we can see a bull market in alt season. But if they don't, especially if there's an interest rate hike, we could go into a bear market. It's possible. You can get my analysis for Ethereum and Bitcoin and all the other projects in my Discord, as well as my trade signals. Hang around to the end of the video. So bullish case, wave one to the upside, WXY into a 2, and then we push from here. If we come down, we start to break 0.01519, then your last opportunity here, let me just pull it up on a fresh chart, is that here's your wave one to the upside. And all of this is corrective. And you would bounce in between the 50%, the 78.6, and a wave 2, which is currently in between 0.01579 and 0.01334. All this move is corrective into the 2. You would bounce from that zone and you'd push up, 3, 4, 5. That's your alternative scenario. If the first chart, where did we go here? Doesn't work out and we fail to bounce from here, and you would look at this wave one to the upside. All of this is corrective. You come deeper in a 2 and then you push up in a wave 3. And obviously the really bear scenario, the top is in for Bitcoin. We have absolutely no alt season. We break down from this channel and it takes us all the way down to 0.00294. That's if the Fed does not cut rates. If the Fed does not cut rates, we get an interest rate hike. Things could get very bearish. But in the meantime, if we can get a bounce from here, push back to the upside, start to break these local highs, 0.0187, then we can see continuation, and we can see Ethereum outperform Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance break, and we have our alt season, which is just insanity for like 3 months. We'll see. September is a very important month. We'll see if the Fed cuts rates. It's very crucial, and that will determine what's going to happen. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. Take 30 seconds of your time. That's all you have to do. No strings attached. Send me an email. I'll send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects. My trade setups, we just hit our juicy profit on our Ethereum trade. Only 2x leverage, almost 300% gain. And yeah, we have almost 3,000 members in the group. All you have to do is take 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX. That's it. Send me email, no strings attached. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.